Merong isang mayamang tatay, may dalawa siyang anak.
And many servants.
At saka maraming makakatulong.
He had 2 sons.
Meron siyang dalawang araw.
Sons,
Ano bang
anak.
Meron siyang dalawang anak.
One day,
Isang araw,
the younger son,
yung maliit na araw,
younger bata,
bata!
talked to his father.
Kinausap yung father. Yung
Fa-
mga yung nasa manok.
Father!
Father.
Yung pare.
Sorry.
Father!
Pare!
Tay,
Itay!
I want you to give me now my share of the family property.
Behengi na ngayon!
So the father divided the properties.
Divide! Get the equation! X times Y!
Divide natin.
Divide! Times.
He gave one property to the younger son.
Binigay yung lupa dun sa maliit na araw kasi maliit.
The younger son at once sold.
With horse! Gay horse!
Afterwards, he left his father's house.
He left. He go to the right.
Tagalog, sabi sa'yo.
Pumunta sa kaliwa.
Iniwan.
Iniwan ang kaliwa, nagpunta sa kanan. Right is the right way. Yan, shota.
The younger son settled in faraway land.
Sa malalim ka.
Far.
Far away.
There he wasted the money he got from the sale of his property.
Since sa SM minubos kahapon.
After a short time,
Sa maliit na oras.
all the money was gone.
Nawala na. Project lang.
The younger son was forced to work in the piggery of a rich merchant.
Nagtrabaho pinamit ka.
Piggery. Baboy pa.
Ow!
He almost fed himself along with the pigs to satisfy his hunger.
Ano siya?
What?
Baby daw.
One day,
One day na naman.
sabi mo,
One day, dapat na.
Next
day.
ulit iisa lang siya. In a word, he lived at his father's house. The servants never left hungry.
Okay, next page.
The younger son decided to go back to his mother.
Bumalik siya sa kanyang ama.
Ah!
Nakahubad na.
Hindi.
Wala kang
Father!
isang pa. Itay!
I have sinned not only against God but against you because of what I did.
I have a sin! Asin! Asungan toyo!
Asin kasalanan.
Akala ko asin sausaw mangga.
I am willing to serve you as one of your servants if you would take me back into your house.
Going back to the corner.
Instead of getting angry, the father embraced the younger son tight.
Okay.
At once, he ordered the preparation of a grand feast to celebrate the return of his son. The younger son was dressed up with the most expensive robe.
Pinigisa na nakatayo.
Dressed up. Dressed up with the most expensive robe and sandals.
Oh, I told you.
A ring that reflected his status in life was full of mystery.
Meron pa. Suddenly,
The older son got jealous
yung pinakamatandang araw, nagselos.
Of the
Gustong
one.
Diyos.
of the warm welcome his father.
Okay, entrance Welcome.
According to